Hey, what is good, fam? It's your man Franky back up in the building. Fresberg Creates, where I take you behind the scenes to enjoy some of our creative artwork and processing for pulling together some of our fun fact cartoons that we do here each week. So I appreciate everybody coming through, checking us out online, on television in the Central Valley. Yo, thanks for all the love. And today we are getting ready to celebrate an iconic moment in December, or that has a December anniversary, with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. receiving the Nobel Peace Prize. Just kind of going into Dr. King as I begin drawing here. With Dr. King's legacy, many people know him for his works in the civil rights movement, but that also helps us to go into this next basically video. We pulled together a fun facts video just for online, highlighting the day and what it was all about. And of course, in order to do a fun facts video, we've got to draw Dr. King as well. So that's what you're seeing me do here in the process. I'm using Adobe Illustrator and basically taking a picture of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and basically cartooning him to make it a little bit more fun, cool, artistic, however you want to call it. Talking about fact number one with Dr. King. Dr. King received the Nobel Peace Prize on December 10th in 1964. He was in, I believe it's Oslo, Norway, where he received the Nobel Peace Prize. I mean, you can also check a lot of that out online. There are still videos online of him doing his acceptance speech. I was actually talking about him earlier in the day about just his delivery. Literally, I could be anywhere in the world and his voice or one of his old speeches would come on, and I could know that it was just Dr. King based on how he delivered that Southern Baptist preacher type of style. He had his own flavor, just like with art. And you're seeing me pull this together. I have my own flavor with art and drawing. Dr. King, he had his own flavor of delivering his messages and inspiring people. So Dr. King was just amazing with how he just used words to motivate those that were basically disenfranchised or down in the dumps, etc. I mean, that's basically what many ministers do. And like I said, I can't imagine what the world would be like if we didn't have men and women like Dr. King with that passion for their faith and building people in the community. Now, kind of giving you a breakdown of what we're doing here today. First, I always do my line art. The line art is the key foundation to everything that we do with the drawing. And then from there, we fill in the base colors. And the shading is really what takes the most time out of all that I do. So I literally go in there and basically do my solid colors and just add more definition, more depth, the shadows in the face, etc. So line art, base color, and then shading is how I put all this together. Now, continuing on with some of the facts about Dr. King. Dr. King was the second African American in history to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. The first one was Ralph Bunche, or actually, I'm sorry, Ralph Bunche. His name is spelled B-U-N-C-H-E, but it's actually Ralph Bunche. He received the Nobel Prize for his works in creating an armistice agreement with the nation of Israel and all of their 4 neighboring countries to help them develop their nation there. So that's why he was recognized with the Nobel Prize. Also, in receiving the Nobel Prize, Dr. King became the youngest man awarded the prize at age 35 when he received it. So that was just some very cool things to look at, honoring Dr. King in that time as well. Simply put, he got the Nobel Peace Prize for his works in the civil rights movement and pledged with the money that was given to him to give every cent to the cause. And that really stuck with me just in doing my research on this, because, a lot of people are leery about ministers, etc., with the cash, and just the fact that he was willing to take every dime to further his movement. That was awesome. And just finally, he was the 12th American to get the prize. But like you're seeing here, I'm finishing up now a quick speed art tutorial on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today, I always do little quick videos like this talking about fun facts. I gave you 5 facts there while I sped through and did this rendition of Dr. King. But for more facts like this, definitely subscribe to our channel. There you can hit the subscribe button on YouTube. You can find us by searching hashtag Fresberg Creates. I put that on all of our cartoons, hashtag Fresberg Creates. We'd be glad to see it come through. Stop by, enjoy some of the art that we're doing, and I hope you enjoy what we're putting together here. And not just the art, but talking a little history and behind the scenes for our Fresberg cartoon series. Also, you can go over there on the Fresberg Cartoon, search hashtag Fresberg Cartoon for the animated version of the fun facts. That's really quick, really to the point, about 2 to 3 minutes per video, sharing fun facts from history. But that's a wrap, folks. I'll see you next time.